scalability on Azure and how easy resizing virtual machines is. In this lab, we have a virtual machine set up running Ubuntu. We've decided that we'd like to scale this machine to have 2 vCPUs. Currently you can see the size is a standard D1 which only includes 1 vCPU. To start with, we'll click on the Size Settings tab. From here, we can decide on the size we want. In this demo, I'm going to use the A2 Basic. This provides the number of cores we need at the lowest cost. We're now going to hit the Resize button. Be careful doing this in any sort of production environment, as the resize process will restart the VM. You'll notice here that I've just lost connection to the virtual machine. This resize process takes under 5 minutes, normally completing within about 2 or 3. I'm going to put the video on hold while this process takes place. The time taken for this virtual machine to resize was just under 1 minute. Now the machine is resized, it will need to boot. The reason behind this is because your virtual machine is actually based on a virtual disk. The operating system and config are all held within the disk, and when you resize, you're transferring that disk to a different host on the Azure fabric. We can now watch for the machine coming up using the Boot Diagnostics tab. We can see here from the Boot Diagnostics tab that we are ready to log into our virtual machine. So let's try and get an SSH session to it. You can see here that I'm now logged onto the virtual machine just as before, and if we go back to the overview, we can see that it's resized to the size that we selected. This whole process was completed in under 5 minutes and truly demonstrates how easy scaling is in Azure. Should you have any more questions on scaling, or where else it can be applied, you can get in contact via the normal methods. Thanks for watching.